Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing fine. So let's check our next 48 hours reading. I don't know, for some reason there's a very beautiful shift in the energy, but let's see what's going to happen in the next 48 hours. And I see Wheel of Fortune, so definitely I'm sure things are changing for everyone individually on a collective level. So let's see, what do we have? A lot of messages are there. Okay, so in the next 48 hours, one thing is for sure. I think the more you're stepping into your feminine energy, this is specifically for the divine feminines regardless of the gender, but the more you step into your feminine energy, the more your person may get triggered or something of that sort, because I do feel that you have been dealing with someone who has been at a certain level where you were not, because I do see that your energy, your creativity was here, and because of this person your energy came to this level. Okay, and it was happening because this person is very logical kind of person. They use only they think this person is very intelligent and wise and stuff like that, but this person is actually handicapped by their own logic and mind. Okay, remember this. And that was kind of uh, you know um that was also torturing your energetic space in some way or the other. Okay, but then we also have Nine of Swords. I do feel that there's a certain energy which is happening. Either this person has left you, or they have blocked you, or they have ghosted you, or they have just left you, broken up with you, whatever it may be. Or it can be you also, but this is happening for a really good reason. Okay, it's like I only hear one message, which is rejection is a protection. Okay, and this is what is happening here, because I feel as this person goes away from your life, you will start feeling that there's a fresh new life which is calling you. Okay, there's a fresh new energy which is calling you, and as this person goes away, you will be able to have your life back on the track. Okay, um, we also have the Wheel of Fortune, the World. I also feel that for a lot of you, if a certain situation was like a nightmare to you, or now this can be for masculines also, that if certain situation was a nightmare for you, finally you will be able to rest, finally you will be able to sleep with peace, finally you will be at peace. Okay, because it seems that with a lot of courage, you have broken a very toxic cycle. Okay, you have broken some kind of past life cycle, something that was happening since past life, or probably more than just one life. Okay, and now since you have broken that pattern, now you are ready to welcome a new life, a new energy, because you have given closure to something very important, something very tragic. Okay, and for some, either you're going to have a completely new beginning with this person. It's like a reconciliation of two soulmates. Okay, reunion of two soulmates after a big heavy karmic cycle. Okay, or you will just get a lot of relief by ending this cycle for once and for all. Okay, but peace is definitely entering into your life. All right, then we have the message of, okay, so I have one message, and that is actually related to. So you have been waiting for that one person, you have been waiting for your soulmate, you have been waiting for that divine lover of yours, divine partner of yours, and that seems to be taking place in your life now, because you have been waiting and waiting and waiting. Probably some of you have been waiting for 7 years, or something big happened 7 years back, and now all of that karmic cycle is ending. Okay, and now you will be able to start a new cycle, a fresh new start. You know what you want in life. You are gaining more clarity, your experiences have given you more clarity. I just recently posted that I may not know what love is, but I do know what love isn't, and this I think applies to most of you collectively as well, that now you do have the clarity about what you want in love. Okay, and it's not necessary that you want all the traditional things, or you want all the boxes that we see on reels and etc etc. It's about what you want, okay, or what you do not want. Sometimes we may not know what we want in love, but we do know what we do not want in love, and that is something that you are getting more clear about, you're getting very assertive about. Okay, and this whole waiting phase has taught you this something, a realization that wasn't there before. And now when you do have this realization, I do feel there's going to be a completely fresh new perspective. And for some, there's some kind of news. Okay, you maybe through a messenger or through a friend or something is definitely happening. Some news is on the way, and this is going to be a love call. It's going to be something that is going to fill your heart with a lot of romance and excitement and spark. So that is definitely happening, and I think your intuition is also trying to tell you something. Maybe you kind of journaled something sometime back, or you created a time capsule sort of thing, or something that you created through a paintings, maybe something that you wrote, maybe you wrote a letter to universe about something that you want. And you might have seen that we go to temples and we tie a knot, tie a dhaga or a chunni, let's say for example. To some places we have this lock system as well in Western culture. So something happened, and now that manifestation of yours or that wish of yours has been heard. Okay, and you will get an intuitive nudge about the same. Okay, something has to do with a book or some kind of information. So your subconscious is going to give you certain information, certain intuitive downloads in the next 24 to 48 hours. So be completely receptive to take that information, to receive that information. Okay, and for some it can be a brand new opportunity in terms of money and finances also. Okay, a new door is opening for you in terms of luck, in terms of finances, in terms of money. All right, so that was your reading, and I hope it helps. I'll see you next time, but I also want to pull few messages from these handmade cards. Let's see. So maybe you can think of a situation. Just close your eyes and think of a situation. And I'll pull 3 messages. Okay. Okay, we already have 3 messages. So first is their headspace is occupied with your thoughts, but the question is, what are they gonna do about it? Okay, so this could be regarding the person that I was talking about. If someone is leaving you, someone has ghosted you, someone has blocked you, it's happening for a very good reason. Second is, it is time to balance the matrix and reality. Taste the juice of this world, because you're not coming back here again. So for some, it can be your last life as well. You may not be coming back again. Okay, so your spiritual cycle is going to be super intense this whole life. Okay, and you are being asked to take you are being asked to taste the matrix world as well, which is by living in the moment, by being in the now. Okay, so that is another message. And the third one we have is, very soon you will be presented with an opportunity that will make the world glare at you. So this is something, again, I have already talked about. So some kind of opportunity, some kind of love call, some kind of news letter is on its way. So yeah, that is it. I hope it helped. I'll see you next time. Bye.